Ratings. Chak. Pasukin niyo muna siya. Lexon.
Ano nagbibihis pa?
Sige. Okay lang. Super E.
Hindi mo muna pinasettle yung bayan. Para kung may kamera yung oras, hindi magbabayad naman ako.
After po ito, wag po muna kayong uuwi ha. Aramin ko kayo. Duboy, Salvan, Magday. Pagkain natin din sa referee. Lopez to Angkaya. Angkaya, lumipad. Naruda, kaya pa rin. Easy kaya, Angkaya pa rin. Angkaya. Ball goes to Breakings. Next possession, Vegas the Hounders. Tama. Magday sa ilalim. 2 points. Saiban, Magday. Foul by jersey number 27. Second personal foul. First inbound. Breakings. Anaya. Pass to Kim. Out of bounds. Pinasa kay Red. Dinakuha ni Red. Dinakita. Kama. Pass to Mendoza. Pass to Magday. Taking 3. Another take on 5. Nepomuceno to boys. Mikey. Nepomuceno.
Mikey, the two mall.
Mike Tato. Skill by Kama. Out of bounds.
Strike mo pa rin. Running pa rin.
Anaya. To Super E. To Anaya. To Super E. Nugget, di ba ba? Mendoza. Nauna na si Magday. Sobra lang ang pasan.
Sukat ligo.
Pass to Lee. Pass to Anaya. JM, step back 3. Nugget, di ba ba? Copy lane na mamadali. Copy lane pa rin. Pass to Nepomuceno. Pass to Kama. Pass to Mendoza. To boys. Mendoza. 4-point lead na lang po para sa BGC Hounders. Pass to Lee. Pass to Jeff. Kume Jeff. Pass to Angkaya. 2 points. Yun, Angkaya. To Magday. 2 points. Saiban, Magday. Pass to Super E. Traveling without license, sabi ni Rep Pastor. Para hindi tayo mag-traveling, hindi na kayo na honey ay Pastor. Pass to Hopile. Pass to Kama. Short cover. 2 points. Charlie Kama. Tuloy din na naman po para sa BGC Hounders. 7 minutes exactly. Wala na po change by Jack. Kaya na po bahala magpaikot. 3-1 Angkaya. Magday. Pass to Kama. Pass to Magday. Magday is still by Anaya. Anong hatol? Bawal din si number 27. Okay lang. Third personal foul by Ivan Magday.
Gabi na M.
6 minutes and 25 seconds. 51-46 in favor of BGC Hounders. Pass to Angkaya. To Anaya, taking 3. Nugget, 3-5. BGC. Outdoors.
Hibiscus.
5 minutes and 50 seconds in the third quarter. Super League. Still by Mendoza. To Magday. Magday. Magday! Wow! Subdivision. Subdivision. First personal foul by Super League. First team foul. Only in. Subdivision. Pasok po. Pasok po. Bautista in. In out. Shooting 2, Ivan Magday. First shot is no good. Second shot. Makukuha kaya ni Mr. Ivan Magday. Zero to 2 by Ivan Magday. Nauna na, 2 points. Kay Mandaya, assist by Simon Lopez. Basket count by Ivan Magday. Power jersey number 8, Johan Agkaya. Johan Agkaya, second personal foul, second team foul of BGC Outdoors. Only shot by Ivan Magday. It's no good. Pass to Lopez. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Bautista. Pass to Lopez. 10 seconds to shoot. Anaya taking three. No good. Ribabay. Ribabay ang kaya. Ang kaya. No good. Ribabay. Nepomuceno. Pass to Kama. Kama. Pass to Magday. Magday. Pass to Kama. Pass to Mendoza. Steal by Bautista. Out of bounds, score goes to Rangers.
Red ball.
Lapit po, pagsasap.
Red ball.
Lapit po, pagsasap. Okay lang. Pasok po, pasok. Nepomuceno, short jumper. It's no good. Rebound by Lopez. No good. Rebound by Kama. Kama. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza pa rin. 2 points. Mendoza. 3.8, 53-50. Ponce. 2 points. Ponce.
Sibag tayo, sibag!
Mosera. Pass to Mendoza. Pass to Nepomuceno. Nogi. Ribabay. Steve Mendoza. Double. Ball goes to BGC. Outdoors. Next possession. Rangers. 3 minutes and 13 seconds on the third quarter. Nogi, Ribabay. Mendoza. Pass to Mikey. To Mendoza. Pass to Kama. Pass to Oli. Take it green. Nogi. Ribabay. Lopez. Lopez. Pass to Bautista. 2 points. Bautista. Start by for substitution. Pass to Oli. Substitution. Super League. Pasok. Labas, pasok.
Yari na naman sa'yo. Lalagyan naman tayo.
Play. Nogi, ibabay, Oli. Paso Kama. Ano ba? Ano, kickball, stays with British.
Basta pag
Paso ulit, paso Magday, take it 3. Nogi, ibabay na Pomuseno. Nogi, ibabay. Bautista. No out, left.
Sino ba?
No basket.
Hindi, wala. Sino? Wala.
Paso Bautista. Paso TJ. Referee to take it 3. Nogi, ibabay Bautista. Nogi, ibabay Nepomuceno. To Oli. Paso Kama. Kama. Short jumper. Nogi, ibabay Neplorido. To Lopez. Pass to Bautista. Short jumper again. 2 points. Bautista assist by Lopez. Bagdad. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Ivan Magdad. Steal by Oli. To Magdad. Magdad, 2 points. Ivan Magdad. To Ponce. Ponce, making his move. Pass to Reparido. 2 points. EJ. Reparido, assist by Ponce. 50 seconds left. 2 points. Ivan Magdad.
Kabilakad po.
2 points. Ponce. Foul for jersey number 10, Mikey Nepomuceno. First personal foul, first team foul of South Breakings. First shot is no good.
Dito sa ano? Tama yung Mikey. Tama yung ako nila. Kanina po sila nakapot.
Foul for jersey number 7, penalty. BGC penalty. Shooting 2, Lex Solid. Reparido second personal foul, EJ Reparido. First shot is no good. Second shot, makukuha kaya. Zero to 2 by Lex Solid. He take 3. He knocked out Willie. Oli. Pass to Kama. Login di mo by Oli. Oli pass to Kama. 2 points. Charlie Kama. Assist by Lex Solid. 10 seconds remaining. Out of bounds. Stays with. Referee to take it 3. Nogi, di mo ba Ponce? Nogi, di mo ba Nepomuceno? Nepomuceno, pass to Kama. And kaibigan.
Gaping. Kaya na isa. Ilan tayo mo namin? Dalawa. Wala, hindi carry over. Hindi carry over.
Boss, may naman saan, boss?
Ilan ang order? Tatlo.
Back to the action for the fourth and final quarter. Wait lang po, iilang kay Marek. Iilang daw.
Wag na. Malamig. Pastor, mamaya na, Pastor.
Wala na vacancy. Holders.
Jumble kanina, no? Yun, nag-jumble. Nag-jumble kanina eh.
Kailangan.
Sa kanila na napunta.
Kailangan.
May nagagawan, di ba? Sa inyo bola? Amin.
Rep.
Natin.
Ratings. Tama. Ratings.
Sa inyo kasi. Sa inyo ako nakaturo.
Next possession, vacancy. Holders. Oli. Pass to Hopilenya. Hopilenya, no good. Di ba may Hopilenya? Hopilenya is still by Super League. Is still by Magdal. Foul. Foul by jersey number 8. Dahil ang kaya. Third personal foul. First team foul. Tatlo. Jacqueline Lama. 5-point lead by BGC Outers. Pass to Angkaya. Pass to Lopez. Lopez to Juan. Simon Lopez assist by Angkaya. Magdali. Pass to Bocosera, taking 3. Login, di mo ba Anaya? Lopez to Anaya. Login, di mo ba? Bocosera. Out of bounds. Goes to Ratings. To Magday. 68-61. Magday. Login, Magday pa rin. To Boys. Ivan, Magday. To Ponce. 15 seconds to shoot. To Lopez. 10 seconds remaining. Anaya taking 3. Nugget. 3-1-5. Amaya. 2 steal by Oli. Nauna na si Ivan Magday. Magday. Nugget. 3-1-5. Anaya. To Lopez. Pass to Nugget. 3-1-5. Lopez again.
Ribon ba nila?
Out of bounds. Pass to Mocosera. Mocosera sa stepping move to points. But Mocosera. 7 minutes and 47 seconds. Hit. Basket down by Yena Kawili. Babay si number 14 sa activation net. Nepomuceno in.
Jack Lisa.
Hopilenya out. Babay Jackie Kama. First personal foul, first team foul of Ratings. Holy shot by Yena Kawili. Holy shot is no good. Rebound by Nepomuceno. Pass to Kama. Basket niya by Mikey Nepomuceno. Babay jersey number 1, Ponce. Second personal foul, second team foul of BGC Outers. Shooting bonus window, Michael Nepomuceno. Bonus shot is killed by Mikey Nepomuceno.
Dito ka.
Pass to Angkaya. Angkaya foul. Baba jersey number 10. Michael Nepomuceno. Second personal foul, second team foul of Briggs. Shooting to Johan Ampaya. First shot is Nugget. Second shot, mabubuha kaya ni Johan Ampaya. It's not good. 0-2. Rebound by Lex Solid. Pass to Ivan Magday. Magday. Into traveling violation.
Lex, dito ka. Kata ka dyan. Yan. Yan. Lex, dito.
Steal by Kama. Pass to Oli. Oli pushing through. Oli pushing through. Foul! Foul by jersey number 24.
Ilan pa?
Second personal foul by Simon Lopez. 13 foul, Lopez. Which is the elders. Pass to Kama. 76-8 in favor of British Elders. Apply foul. Foul by jersey number 1, Polste. Third personal foul by Polste. Warning for penalty, British Elders. Shooting to Ivan Magday. Stand by for substitution. First shot is no good. Pag na-shoot po. Pag na-shoot. Pasok po. Substitution.
Alam nga ni. Pabanata na kayo ito eh.
Ayun na!
70-69. Anaya Ingrid. JM Anaya. Kama pass to Magday. Magday. 12 seconds to shoot. Pass to Nepomuceno. Nepomuceno. Foul. Foul by jersey number 2, Charles Bautista. Penalty. Penalty. Bautista, second personal foul. Penalty.
Side mo, 150 sa.
First shot is no good.
Sa gitna ulit ha.
Second shot is no good. 0-2. Pass to Simon. Pass to Anaya. Anaya, short jumper. 2 points. Team Anaya. 75-69. Bola po, bola.
Sab sa tatay, sab.
Substitution. Iskaki, Kawa, Jackie. Kama taking three. Nugget, 3-5. 3-5 Ponce. Pass to Lopez. Pass to Bautista. Is still there to Lopez. Lopez. Hey, Ponce to Bautista. Standard for substitution. 3-5 Ponce again. Nugget, Lopez. 2 points. Lopez. Magday, 83. Nugget, 3-5. 2 points. Let's say, Jackie Kama. 77-71. 5 minutes and 14 seconds left. Anaya taking 3. Nugget, 3-5. 3-5. Bautista. Steal by Ivan. Wow. Wow by jersey number 2. Charles Bautista. Penalty. Penalty. Subdivision rep. Subdivision. Pasok po. Pasok po. Wait lang po. 4 minutes lang. 4 minutes. No. 4 minutes na lang po. Sorry ma'am. Sorry.
Dalawa na siya.
Abang, abang, abang.
2 out of 2. Steal by Magday to Mangosera. Riva by Magday. Foul. Penalty. Four minutes and 39 seconds na lang po. Bilisan na po natin. First shot is cute.
Kung magubasa, isa na lang ha.
Wait lang po ma, sorry po. Mga Bib, sorry po. 2 out of 2. Ay ba, Magday. Foul by jersey number 38, second personal foul, second team now. Wait lang po ma'am.
Hindi pa naman sila, hindi naman sila ano.
3. Yeah, patay. Ito ba, Ponce? Supong. Super League. Steal by Super League. Stay sweet. Time out. Time out. Breakings.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20.
Back to the ball game. 4 minutes exactly. 4 minutes na lang po. 4 minutes.
Pupulikat na ako.
82-75 in favor of AGC Hounders.
Bulong mo lang.
Sorry po, Ma'am Eve, dahil nagkaroon ng ano kanina, problem. 2 points, Bautista. Three minutes and 45. Okay, 2 points. Ivan Magday. Out of bounds.
Kaya ano, hindi wala tayong 16.
Three. Luggage. Di ba maantay? Luggage. Di ba Magday? Steal by, Lopez. Luggage. Di ba in. 2 points. Supreme. Standby for substitution. Substitution left. Substitution.
Ulit ba? May bantay na nga. Saksa ka naman ng ballpen.
Pero nabot din sa bahay. Purple. Binigay sa akin ng bukas. Nawala kasi pencil.
Second personal foul. Penalty.
Ah!
Luggage. Rebound by Steele. Rebound by Ponce.
Tama.
to Lopez. 2 minutes and 47 seconds left na lang. Anaya taking 3. No good. Rebound by Lopez. To Angkaya. Angkaya spin around. Tornado. Rebound by 2 points. Lopez. Mongosera 3. Kero. Pro. Mongosera. 88-80. 2 minutes and 15 seconds left. 88-80. Galing 77. Anaya all alone taking 3. Target. Rebound by out of bounds. Ball goes in. Ratings. Okay na po. 1 minute and 53 seconds. 3. Another 3 by Kero Mongosera. Bullet pass to Ponce. Ponce.
May time out pa sila, di ba?
Meron pa. Dalawa.
Time out kay Jane. Jane, time out yan.
Lagi, rebound by. Sige. Steal by Lopez. Pass to Lagi, rebound by Lopez again. Basket count by Simon Lopez.
Sino foul?
Jersey number 10. Michael Nepomuceno. Third personal foul by Michael Nepomuceno. 30 foul. 1 minute and 21 seconds.
Michael ba na pangalan?
Shooting bonus shot is good by Simon Lopez. 1 minute and 18 seconds. Mongosera, another 3. Why not? Another 3. 3 points. Mongosera. Anaya. Pass to Angkaya. Angkaya, out of bounds. Ball goes to Ratings. To Kama. Pass to Mongosera. Mongosera step back 3. Nugget. Rebound by Ponce. 56 seconds left. 18 seconds left. 15 seconds left. 10 seconds to shoot. Lopez. Nugget. Rebound by Ponce. Basket count by Ponce. Jersey number 27, Ivan Magdai. Ivan Magdai warning for Bradley. Warning for penalty. Una shot, Ponce, number 1. Airball, kating sa inyo yan ng Voltec. 40 seconds left. Magdai taking 3. Nugget, rebound by Angkaya. 93-86. Manaya. Pass to Lopez. Lopez. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. To Angkaya. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Angkaya. Shot lang off. Ama. 2 points. Jack Ligaba. 14 seconds left. And up